Welcome back to the channel Benidorm by Anna. Today we are in an authentic Spanish typical market, the most typical you'll find in the area in Benidorm. This place is almost magical, authentic Spanish market. There are several markets here in the area in Benidorm. There is one in Rincon del Oage by the Hotel Pueblo, and this is the second one, but this one is the most authentic. This is where it's a typical Spanish atmosphere. You know, this authenticity of a village, of a town where you can only hear mostly Spanish speech, just some other international residents every now and then, but mostly it is all Spanish. And you know that it's gonna be good when this is a market oriented for locals and for residents of Benidorm. First of all, in the entrance, there are several entrances here, by the way. You can go from any one of them. This is the lower part, and then there's the higher part. Lower is all dedicated for clothes, as you can see. Different underwear, there's sports clothes, shoes, accessories, things for household. All this is located right here. We can see already some shoes, $6.99. Bags and backpacks, €10 they cost, but these are actually of a big size. Not the small ones that you can get for this price, but here you can actually get a nice thing. Smaller bags for €6. €2 a bag to go to the supermarket. It's very nice and handy. You can just clip it and it's very convenient, and then open it up when you are by the market already. There's also things here for children's boogies. There is different pajamas, €10 or €6. Look at that. That's not bad at all. Different type of underwear, 4 for €5, 3 for €5. That is a true bargain, honestly. It is very, very cheap in this particular place. People come here with what we call carritos, which are like small boogies, like carts, that they use for shopping. Look at this, €1, 3 pairs of socks. So one pair of socks literally costs you what, 33 cents, 34 cents? That is very cheap. Look at that. Underwear, €1. And this is all new. Obviously, it's all tagged. It's not like it's a second-hand thing. Different types of duvets, and we call it manta nordica, like a Nordic duvet, which is like for winter season. There's plenty of these ones here. More pajamas. Look at this, $4.99, 2-piece pajama. How good is that? And these ones are actually quite cute. This is not bad at all. $9.99, Christmas pajamas even. There's some socks. There's plenty of things here. And the good thing is that this part of Benidorm is not as touristic, hence there's a lot of offers, there's a lot of deals that usually people don't put it that cheap whenever they go to like a touristic location. They know they can get more than that there, but here for locals, in order to function, look at this, slippers, house shoes, $3.99. Very like hard, proper house shoes, $3.99. Nice jackets, vests, clothes. Some of them €12, €13 I've just seen, 15. But this is like a price that you would pay in like a shopping center, right? In a typical shop. Bigger sizes, €3, €8, €3 once again, €6. Like everything that you see there is gonna be like 3, 6, or €8. Here, more or less the same thing. €9 in this one, €6 in that one. That is perfect. Look at this. Jackets, $12.99. Where can you get a jacket for €12? $4.99, €6. That is insane. Look at that. That is why there are so many people here. I mean, people are coming here, and these are all remains of stores of different kind, like multi-brand stores, or like in general, they are purchasing to sell it here on the bazaar, but these are like brand new items. These are not second-hand items. So imagine what you could buy in this place if it's slightly on the budget side. It is incredible. If you need something for your holidays and you're staying here a slightly longer period of time, you could always purchase things here and save up quite a lot of money that you can spend on other things while you're staying here in the area. And those who are potentially looking forward for a relocation soon, these types of markets, whatever they exist, because it's not everywhere, are An incredible place to actually save up some money and get some very, very nice clothes. You can actually find some very good deals in this area. In some points, you can also see that they accept bank cards. It's not everywhere though, because some points they might say, okay, we don't accept a card, but we accept Bithum. Bithum is something that we use to transfer money from one account to the other with a phone number. So you just give person's phone number in Bithum app, which is inside of your bank account, and it automatically sends it to his bank account without the necessity of actually putting the whole bank account or a card number. Just by the phone, it tracks which account it belongs to, which is very convenient. So in case they do not have a card payment like a typical machine to pay with card, you can do a Bithum or pay in cash. There's even things here of decor a little bit. And look at that, there's also Christmas decorations, which I suppose are from the shops. Either it's from Temu or AliExpress or like Shein, or it might be from stores that have shut down recently. Ooh, some nice like bed covers. Like it's like a duvet, you can sleep with it, but it works like a bed cover. Like it's like an aesthetically pleasing thing to see. Fluffy ones, 12 euros for a king size bed. 12 euros. That is very, very cheap. It almost equals with like Temu, AliExpress, and Shein shopping, but the quality there is obviously way worse. Here, it's all very, very good quality products. That's majority of them. There's some stainless steel. There's some different types of accessories and jewelry that they're selling. Look at this, more house shoes and even outside shoes. I think they can be considered. Yeah, right? And many, many more things. My husband just forgot his brand new slippers that he just bought for the house in another stand. So he went back to check if they are still there to pick these up. Weren't expensive, 4 euros actually, in one of the stands that you've previously seen at the beginning of the video. But still, it's ours, right? So we'll see if he's lucky enough to still find these. Look at this, 1 euro pieces. 1 euro. People are in shock because they find some very nice dresses in this place. 1 euro. That is bizarre. And then obviously more bags and some churros. Churros are a thing mostly on Sundays, but in general, like when it's a market day, a lot of people stop here to get some churros. People love these. This is like a typical Spanish thing to do. And it also became like a touristic thing to do. Just grab some churros. Here, a dozen of these costs 5 euros, but that's a dozen. So half of it would be like, not sure if you can do half here, but half would be like 2.50 or 3 euros more or less, which is exactly the same price as it is, even slightly cheaper than it is in other touristic area markets. Look at that. Look at this. Oh my goodness, there's so many pins and toys on that scooter. Wow. That is interesting. Did you see that? Wow. I'm sure it catches the eye of a lot of people. Some more jewelry, 1 for 3, 2 for 5, but that's for a smaller one, I suppose. Some of these are authentic pieces of art. Some smaller bags, 12 euros, 15 euros, 20, 23, depends on the material that they are made at. Look at this. This looks like a like the ones, the emu. It looks like an emu. If you put this, it's like a giant emu. But it's cute, I have to say, for special occasions or for like fancy dinners, etc. It actually looks quite nice. The jacket, I mean, like the fluffy one that we've just seen. 1 for 12 euros for t-shirts, for not a t-shirts, but shirts for men. And 2 for the price of 18 euros. They give it away. More shoes here, and then right here towards the top is where the food market part is located. So this is like one of the entrances, one of the accesses towards the food part, and here you will be able to find, first of all, roast chicken. Obviously, there's going to be more churros. There's going to be places that sell marinated olives, artichokes, garlic, onion, etc. Some bathrooms right here, by the way, available for all those who are coming here to the market, which is also a good part. On almost every market that has like a fixed place, with an exception of Albir Market, for example, and Altea, I think. There's no bathrooms, but here in Benidorm, both of the markets do have bathrooms available. And here we have some roast chicken place. And there's also some bread that they sell. These are the prices for different types of bread. There's like a baguette of 1 kilo. It costs $2.80. Roast chicken usually and typically now it costs 12. And if you want some like potatoes, grilled potatoes, roast potatoes for it, it's like another €3. So 15 for like huge, very nice menu. Potatoes included. A glass of freshly pressed orange juice right there. Small one, 150. Big one, 280, I think it was. Some veggies here. These look incredible. All the vibrant colors. By the way, it's a natural color. What you see on the screen is what it is, but these are so vibrant. Some flowers and plants that a lot of people actually like to get, especially for their household. Nothing fancy, but just to put something on the terrace or in like on the dining table, or in general like in the somewhere in the house. This is actually very nice. Look at that. There are some mangoes, 150 a kilo. That is extremely cheap for a mango. Wow. I suppose these are like local sourced ones, because we have in Callosa there are a lot of people who even produce like dragon fruit. So I feel like maybe that's why. Tomatoes, 125, 150. Different types of lettuce and cauliflower, 150. Potatoes starting from 80, 90 cents. Look at that. Some more tomatoes, 90 cents. Kiwis, 350. Canary plátanos, they're called. They're not bananas, but it's more or less the same thing, but just from Canary Islands. And there's also bags for €1, which is why there's such a giant queue right there. These are the bags for €1, which means that it's pre-packed already, different types of veggies. And you get a bag and it's going to be €1. Obviously, they're going to be putting it so that they wouldn't go to waste. And they could get some profit still. But a lot of the times, if you need something specifically, you can get a bag and you can actually, get quite a lot of things for cheap. Avocados, local avocados, $2.40 a kilo. Tomatoes, 70 cents a kilo. Ooh, that's very good. €1 bags. There we go. There's more of them. We don't have that in Albir, actually, because it's a touristic place and it's a high economy place. So, like, the purchase power is way higher in Albir. And we don't have these bags. But here in Benidorm, they do. So, it's actually a very nice thing. In this particular, look at that, 99 cents. 99 cents. All of this. That is bizarre. Like, if you're in self-catering, if you're wondering how veggies, fruit here tastes like, if you want something authentic, go to the market and grab a couple of things. You can make a salad, you can make some food, nice food here, but this is gorgeous. Other types of mangoes, 350. These are like orange mangoes. 150 tomatoes, €4, 5 kilos of oranges. That is also a good typical price. That's like the usual price. 80 cents, some onions, €1, carrots, $2.25 a kilo of grapes, which will start to increase the price slowly but surely now towards Christmas, because we eat 12 grapes on New Year's Eve. So that's very traditional thing to do. And by that time, grapes obviously go higher in price, but it's for a reason. It's because it is very needed. The demand is very high. Some more veggies out here just randomly like this in the bags and in the boxes. Way more. You can see the amount of fresh fruit and vegetables we have on the markets. It's absolutely insane. We consume kilograms, each one of us, per week of different types of food, like fresh food, like vegetables, fruit, hortalizas we call it, which are like broccoli, which are potatoes, and different types of lettuces, etc. But overall, it's just very nice place to purchase things. I'm absolutely shocked. And this is also one of the reasons why this is our favorite market in the area. There's also a few other ones that we like, but this one is the biggest. It's the biggest. It's with the biggest amount of options where to choose from, biggest variety of prices, and you can definitely find something for yourself. Obviously, there's a little bit of souvenirs too, but this is one of my favorite parts. Marinated things. I love it. The prices are per kilo, by the way. It goes by weight. But this is absolutely stunning. Freshly baked bread and pastries. Like, this is the best part of the market. If you go to a typical Spanish market, try out the pastries. Get these for your afternoon tea just to try it out, Try out the olives and all the rest of the things that they serve here. Churros, maybe some typical fruit. Just immerse fully into what the atmosphere is. There's even chorritos here and different types of sausages and different types of extra things, like even eggs. Look at this. Oh, with the price of eggs getting higher right now in Spain due to the chicken flu. This is something that is absolutely incredible. Wow. Look at all this beauty. More churros. I think the price is exactly the same for these types of churros, if I'm not wrong. Wow. This is very, very nice. Look at the amount of people that there are here. This is the typical Wednesdays market right here in Benidorm by the tram station. This is the most authentic one. This is the busiest one, the biggest one, with the best prices. And we've not only seen locals, which is the vast majority, but also quite a few tourists wandering around. If you have an option, please come here on Wednesday. It's the only day that it is available, but it's really worth it. Look at how giant this market actually is. Look at all this. And it's actually worth seeing. Don't miss it every single Wednesday in Benidorm by the tram station.